The PPS CAP Review and Progress Report Out asks for specific data. This video is going to show you how to obtain that data from the admin dashboard. So the first set of questions is about enrollment, both total and for historically underserved students. I'm going to go to PPS Inside. On the drop-down menu, I'm going to go to the dashboard, make sure that I click Go, and then I need to put in my username and password, the same that I use for my email. And then the page is loading. Hopefully it will take you to your school. If not, you're going to scroll down, pick your school, apply changes, and then make sure that you click Go. This will take you to your home page. So the first questions are about demographics. You'll notice here at the top bar, we have several tabs. I'm going to go to the demographics tabs first, and this is going to give me the information I need for my CAP review. So what is the total enrollment? I have it right here, 434, and then it's asking what is the total enrollment for my historically underserved students. If I click this arrow and zoom with data and click there, it's going to give me more precise detail of my student populations. For the purposes of this report, historically underserved is referring to Black, Hispanic, Native American, and Pacific Islander students. So I would go ahead and add up the total 127 historically underserved students at the school. The next questions that I need to ask are about reading, and they're asking about what is the percentage of the total population of the school is performing at grade level. And the second part of that is what percentage of historically underserved population is performing at grade level. So I go back to the dashboard where I was, and at the top of the page, I need to go back to the home page. So I click back into the back button. I'm going to go to reports. And the report that I'm looking for that has this exact information is the reviewing school-wide outcomes. If I click on that report, I'm going to make sure that my school is selected. I'm looking at fall to winter and 2015-16. So here you'll notice is fall and the students at low risk or core. I have the percentage here for historically underserved and for all students. And that would give you the information you need to be able to answer those two questions. If you are a Spanish immersion school, you need to do a little addition by going to the second page and adding the results from the EDEL test with the DIBELS test. Okay, again, I have the tabs at the top. So I've answered my demographics question. I've answered my literacy question by going to reports. And now I'm going to go to discipline to answer the last set of questions. So again, I'm making sure that my school is selected. I've clicked Go, and the question that I am being asked about discipline for the CAP review is what percentage of the school has been excluded and what percentage of historically underserved population of the school has been excluded. So on the dashboard, if I scroll down, this report right here, which is Exclusionary Outcomes 3-Year Comparison with 2015-16 target, would give me the information of both historically underserved and not historically underserved. The red bar, if there was one, would represent 13-14. The clear bar would be 14-15, and the blue bar would be 15-16. So there has been 0 exclusions at the school this year for both historically underserved and total. As I go down, the next set of questions are about stage 2 and 3 referrals for both total population and for historically underserved. So I'm going to go to the very bottom of this page, and this gives me percent of students with at least one incident referral. So over here for total population is 0.2%, and HU represents historically underserved, and that is 0%. And that gives you the information that you need for your CAP data review.